Welcome to NorMagnoTrading.com. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Click the icon if you make any videos. I'd really appreciate that, guys. Helps the channel out a ton. Alright, live. Cool. There's that. Should be good to go there. Hopefully you guys having a great day. Hopefully you guys have been studying hard out there. Alright, let me do today's day. It's 526. We had 4.5K. Today's the 15th. Cool. There's that. Change documents. 4.5K. Where are you? Cool. Alrighty, guys. What's going on? Good to have you guys on. Good to have you guys in. I'm going to do a quick stream today. Alright. I'm live going over today's trading day up 4.5K. Cool. Alrighty, we're going to try and do a quick stream here today. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Click the icon if I've made new videos. Helps the channel out a ton. Not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Have a plan, a process, and a strategy. Alright, there's this. Boom. Today's runners were Tissy. We had CAVL, or KAVL. We had BKKT, Hook, and we can do Upstart. All right, cool. Got that live. Now let's go on TikTok and go live here, guys. Cool, there's that. All right, guys, we'll give it about 20-25 seconds for people to trickle on in here. What's going on, Eldrin? What's going on, Alan? What's going on, Steve Austin? Let's go over today's trading day. So today, I'll give it about 20 more seconds. People trickle on in. Basically, what's going on, Mo? What's going on, Fadi? What's going on, Kiros? What's going on, Maha? What's going on, Dawes? Yeah, later stream, but I want to make sure I do it. I want to keep going with my streams here. So today was a smaller day, but we kept it green. That's all that matters. We're accepting green days. We're accepting them, and that's okay. Just taking small green days, taking what's out there, taking what's there, taking the percentages, and moving on to the next day. And that's all we can do. Market's slow, not going to force, and that's it. So today, traded a couple more stocks. LRMR had a nice move today from 271, and we kind of trickled up. So a little bit more volatility today. Might be getting a little bit more aggressive tomorrow. PRQR, I tried to play this one, but it still kind of has that downtrend, just a massive drop there on day 3, red day. EDU is going to be a watch into tomorrow as well as TAL. So you can see, I just scalped this one for a $2,600 winner at 90,000 shares at 157, or 157.5. So right down in this range right here. And then I ended up selling it at 160.5, so right in there. Quick $2,600 winner. I took this dump beautifully right here at 224 average. Was looking for one to sell off. This is the best one. Ended up getting a nice average at 224, and as soon as it got over 230, which is almost immediately, I took it off, and then of course it trickles up to 242. I thought about holding it the rest of the day, but we're not in a strong enough market to do that. I kind of chopped myself out of LMR and PRQR, and then I got myself back into LRMR. I really like the range that it was showing, and I got myself back in, I believe it was right in here. I took a starter up in here, I took my size down in here. Had a 375 average, so right where this white line is, right there. And this thing popped up immediately to 409. I took it off at 397. Tissy, this has kind of been flying in the KAVL sympathy. And, I took it right here, saw this thing coming back, scalped it quickly, and this thing's up to 155 now. So we're seeing a decent amount of range. Tomorrow I'm going to be getting a little more aggressive, but I want to make sure 110% that my aggression is with clear size, clear risk off, and I do it very, very intelligently because I don't want to get too much size and make sure, that I screw it all up with too much size. That's the biggest problem I might get myself into tomorrow, which is something that I won't accept to get myself into. So take it smaller size, sizing when appropriate, and making sure I nail things the proper way. I'm being very, very disciplined tomorrow. Tomorrow is the make or break day for me, and I need to be on my ball because I know there's going to be opportunities. I just need to be able to take advantage of them properly. BKKT ended up scalping this one. Had a nice amount of size on BKKT. I ended up taking size right in here. Well, you can see here. So, where is it? So, see me here, and this is where I really took the size. Like right there is where I took the size. Quick scalp, and then of course it goes to 860. If I would have held, it would have been a $10,000-$15,000 day. That's okay though. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Was looking for a scalp. That was my game plan, and that's it. That's all it was today. Today was kind of just sizing down. I knew there wasn't a whole lot of rippers and runners out there, not a whole lot of size and volatility, but I can tell that there's a lot of opportunities starting to arise. The predictable setups are becoming, and I will be starting to size up a little bit, but make sure I'm doing it very, very smart with clear risk off, sizing it slowly, and taking my position from there. So that's really all I have today to say today, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Have a plan, a process, a strategy. Free chat. Link below. My course team. My policies. Link below. Course code I use. All links below. Brokers to be stock for $1,400. Scanner software code I use CAM15. Scanner settings I use all. And link description below, guys. Lance, yeah, you always got to realize bear markets. They're always out there. So I think it's like 93 years. There's been 51 times in 93 years that there's been a 10% or more correction. And there's been, I believe in 93 years, there's been I think 15 times it's corrected more than 25%. So you have to realize, every 6 years we get a 25% correction. Every 2 years we get a 10% correction. So of course, you always have to be accepting to that. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys subscribing to the NorMagnoTrading.com community. I will see you guys tomorrow, okay?